go copy 26 King Wavy merch. Link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless. Alright, yo, what's going on, man? I'm back with another video. A couple of months ago, I believe, a couple of weeks ago, I did a reaction video to this guy named Bearded Glory. I'm gonna have him up here somewhere. So he had waves on his beard, and ever since I've been trying to get waves on my beard, obviously it's not working out. I never actually knew the secret to getting waves on your beard. It was until last night. I was going on TikTok. Yeah, I said TikTok. I be making fun of TikTok wavers, but TikTok on another level, man. So I'm just going through TikTok, right? And this guy, y'all watched my last video when this guy got waves in 30 seconds from TikTok. Now I'm scrolling through TikTok, right? I'm about to start screen recording. Alright, so right here, right? This guy, look at his beard. Y'all see it? This guy gives us the secret on how to get waves on beard. A lot of people been talking about, oh, how you put the do-rag on? Do you have a do-rag for your beard? This and that, blah, blah, blah. This guy demonstrates how to get waves on your beard. Watch. So you're doing a washing style for his beard. I'm gonna have it up here, something over here. Detangling shower brush. The thing I use to detangle my hair when I'm, when I'm doing a washing style. I don't know what type of oil that is, but let me put it back real quick. Anybody that knows what type of oil this is, let me know. But for now, I'm using my 26 King Wavy beard growth oil. I'm sorry I'm stuttering, but this is just unreal. Like, this is the secret. Alright, so hold up. He's using a hard brush. I cannot use a hard brush on my beard because I will rip my face off. But look at what he's using, man. Like, that's just tough. Hold up, bruh. Look at the unrag. Do you see how silky his beard is? Look at that. Look at that. Bruh. I'm gonna put it back for y'all, man. Y'all just watch. We just gonna watch together. I got that same brush, man. That's crazy, man. Hey, man. 2020, we about to be rocking beard waves, man. What up, y'all? Stop screen recording. 2020, we rocking waves on our beard, y'all. The secret to getting waves on your beard. Y'all seen it live. 360 Juice about to have a wave spinning on his beard, man. That's crazy, man. TikTok on another level, man. Thank y'all for watching. Just a quick video, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm out here. Peace.